AI website builder with free domain. So I'm having a link of this platform in the video description, just like this one. Look down the video description and then click on it. It's an affiliate link. It is going to bring you right here. Then when you come here, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your email address right here. Okay. Then putting it there, simply come and then click on start now. So when you click on start now, you have to come and then create an account, okay, by simply signing up. So to do that, simply put in your password, you confirm your password, then you come down here and then you come and then click on sign up. Okay, you can also sign up through your Google account or through your Facebook account. Okay, after that, over here they are going to ask you who are you creating the website for. Simply come here and then select for myself, for business, or a friend. Okay, by checking the circle and then come down here to where we have the continue and then come and then click on the continue. So after that, all that you have to do is that they are going to ask you if you need a guide through creating the website. Yes, simply come here and then come and then select a step-by-step guide. Okay, so after that, simply come down here to the continue and then come and then click on continue. So simply come and then select start chat with AI. Okay, the AI is going to guide you to come out to your website name and then more. So over here where we have the chat box, all that you have to do is simply come and then write what you want your website to be, or the website that you want to create. Okay, simply come and then write something just like this. Okay, Tada, simply come here to where you have the send and then come and then click on the send. So when you click on it, the AI is going to look at what you provided to generate the layout of your website for you. Come and then click on the continue and then come and then click on go to dashboard. So you'll be brought to your dashboard just like this one. I am within the dashboard, and then when you look at the top right hand corner, you are going to see design site. Come and then click on design site. So when you click on it, you have two ways that you can design your website. Okay, so the first one that we have is either to pick a template. Okay, so as you can see, you can customize a template, or you can simply use the AI to generate everything from scratch. That is what you're going to do. Simply come and then click on generate a design. Okay, so when you click on it over here, the AI is going to generate your design based on what you provided. Okay, so whilst you are waiting, what you have to do is simply verify your email address. So let's go right into our email, and then you are going to see that we have the confirmation mail here. Click on it and then simply come here. So as you can see, come and then click on the confirm email now, and you can see that we are all set. We have confirmed our email. Come and then click on go to home page, and then from the home page simply come here to where we have the design site again, then come and then click on it. So you have to wait, it takes time. Okay, it takes time, and then it is going to generate your website for you. So as you can see, we have the website overview, and then we have the website name here, and then we are using the free plan. Okay, but the website is not published, so we have to publish it. So all that you have to do is simply come here to design site and come and click on it again, and then wait for the website to be created completely for you. Okay, so as you can see, they have generated it. You can come and then click on regenerate if you don't like it, or you can come and then click on choose design to make some changes. But when you are okay, simply come here to where you have continue, then come and click on continue with this design. Okay, so over here to all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on continue to the editor. Okay, click on continue to the editor, and then it will bring you right here, and just relax and then get your website designed for you. So as you can see, the AI has designed the website for us. We can change anything, the logo, everything that you see on this website is customizable, and then you can change it. Okay, so when you scroll down, this is how the website is going to look like, and you can change the pictures, everything on it you can change it. So all that you have to do is simply come and then publish it by coming to click on the publish, and when you click on the publish, your website is going to be published for you. Okay, so from here, congratulations, the site is now published, and you can simply come here to where we have view sites and then click on it and then see how your website is looking right now. And this is how the website is looking. So when you have done, simply come and then click on the Webs logo, and it will bring you right here, and then you can come and then connect a domain. So as you can see, this domain is available. Simply come and then click on let's go, And as you can see, this domain is there. Simply come and then click on make it yours. Okay, so it will bring you right here, and then from here you can get your .com domain for totally free. But for you to get it for totally free, you have to sign up for one of their premium plan. Okay, so as you can see from here, you can get it for a whole 1 year for totally free. Okay, without any webs branding or logo. Okay, you are not going to get the webs logo there, so simply come and then click on continue, and then over here you have to come and then select any of their premium plan. Okay, you can select the list of it, and then when you come here you are going to get a free domain for a whole year. Okay, so it depends on you, the one that you want to select, and then come and then click on the select, and then simply go with a premium plan that is going to allow you to get a free domain name for 1 year. Like the video and then see you in my next video.